Go onto YouTube. There's a guy called Jesse Orrell, O-R-R-A-L. He made a video of his Zoom meetings over 1 week. Here's the kicker. He pre-recorded the entire week. In other words, he got so used to knowing what to say on a Zoom meeting, how to look on a Zoom meeting, how to participate on a Zoom meeting in terms of the right nods at the right times, including things like thumbs up and yeah, I understand and I'll get back to you on that. And so therefore, the way that he participated was in fact automated. This tells us something about how we are holding Zoom meetings. They're becoming too predictable. We've got to start recognizing that our involvement and participation cannot be just formulaic. We've got to think about what value we add and what point of difference we make in every time that we are in a meeting in this virtual environment. So whether it's Zoom, Teams, or whatever platform, think about your contribution and making sure that you stand out and be outstanding. Do not just become something that can be virtualized, automated, and therefore not something of high value. Think about this, watch the video, it's a lesson for all of us.